Habit number 3, letting anger make your decisions. One moment of uncontrolled anger can undo years of love and trust. Think about that. Years of effort, years of memories, years of building something real, gone because of a single reaction. When emotions run high, ask yourself one question. Am I trying to win this argument or protect this relationship? Because those two goals don't always point in the same direction. Anger isn't the enemy. Uncontrolled anger is. Learn to pause, breathe, respond, don't react. The scars from anger don't fade quickly, and some never fade at all. Outro. A strong marriage isn't built on love alone. It's built on discipline, communication, and the daily choice to show up for each other. Recognize these habits, address them early, because the best time to protect your marriage is before the damage is done. Which of these habits do you think is the most dangerous? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. And if this hit close to home, subscribe. New relationship and life content every week.